Hello everyone, my name is Shama Arora Juneja. I'm a housemaker and I am running my business with my husband. For me, style is something within you. If you are confident with yourself, the style will come automatically. I have done many beauty contests. By God's grace, I have won those. One of them, when I was started, was Mom's Got Talent. And there were 35 ladies and I beat them. And after that, I won Graha Lakshmi Queen and so on. I have achieved the Business Women Award too and the Most Influenced Women Award also. Beside these awards, I have done a short movie too. My parents are my first love. They always support me, and whatever I am today, just because of them. I am very thankful to them. My sister-in-law is my best friend. She always encourages me. She always stand by my side. Whenever I want anyone to understand me or to hear me, she's always there. My husband is in clothing business and I am running his business with him. And I do have two kids. One is my son, he's 13 years old and he's very supportive. And my daughter, she's 6 years old and she's the naughtiest child. Pankaj sir he's the one who has inspired me from the very beginning. And after that, the chain has started. And many people came into my life who always encouraged me that I can do. And one of them, I remember this Rahat sir. My mother-in-law is the one who inspiring me now and before too. She's a backbone of me. And she always comes with me whenever I used to go in any function. She is my lucky mascot. Whenever she goes with me, I feel like I'll win, and I win. Here are many stylish diva in the city, but the most I still admire is Nagma Kapoor. She's the one I really adore. She wears the dresses I can't even think that anybody can wear and feel comfortable. For me, best designer in the city, for me, is myself. Because I know which is suiting me and in which I feel more comfortable, I design those clothes for myself. The best gift I ever got on my last birthday, that's a very nice portrait of me, which has made by Jagjot Singh Rubal sir, and he is the one who gifted me on my birthday, and he is already doing for celebrities too. For me, the best actor is Aamir Khan. He's a versatile and he fits in all the roles. For me, the best heroine, and she's my role model, Aishwarya Rai. I always adore her and I follow her a lot. I have done many social activities too, and it's like a soul food for me. And whenever I feel low, I used to go to do those things which makes me feel more encouraged and more powerful. And I am a General Secretary in Education Welfare Society. For me, makeup is something I feel comfortable in. It depends upon the mood, or you can say it depends upon the occasion I'm going to. In which I feel comfortable, the best for me. For me, the best moment is when my daughter came into my life. She is my lucky mascot, and the day she came into my life has changed, and I felt like I'm the happiest mother in the world. When I participated in fan dance, I felt like I can do something, and Pankaj sir has supported me a lot at that time. I used to talk him that I want to do this, I want to do that. He always encouraged me that I can. The way he supported me, I felt I can. So I started, and here I am in front of you all. He is the perfect man. He is one who always supports me, and he wants me to do those things which like a lady wants to. He understands me a lot and I love him a lot. I think I don't need to change anything in him because it's been 13 years. So I accepted and I have accepted him the way he is. For me, Suman Sachdeva is the best makeup artist in the city. When I have started my journey and she dolled me up with the wonderful makeup and I have got the winner title in Mom's Got Talent. She dolled me up as a retro. I don't regret actually in my life because whatever I wanted, I'm achieving. I still remember the compliment. I really admire a girl. She came to me and said that, may I have a click with you? Because she thought I am a celebrity and I have come to meet them. And this is the time I still remember. According to me, when the starting is the best thing, that when you start and you achieve, this is something you always remember, and after that I got everything what I have wanted. My dream is to walk on a Mrs. World ramp. For me, future goals are like whatever you are doing now, you will achieve in the future. So future goals should start before, and after that you will start now to get those goals. And for me, I am trying to get my Mrs. World trophy, so I have started now. My message for all the women in the world, that if you want to do something in your life, so trust yourself, believe in yourself, you will get everything because you have the ability that nobody can stop you. अगर मेरे को मैजिक वैंड मिलता है तो मैं यहाँ की गरीबी को हटाना चाहूँगी, बिकॉज़ मेरे को लगता है कि गरीबी इज़ समथिंग जो कि लोगों के हमारी गवर्नमेंट कैन डू बट पीपल कैंट, सो वी शुड फोकस ऑन दोज थिंग्स टू. City Celebrity is something they are doing good for the ladies in the Amritsar. You may come and express yourself into words, and I am blessed to be here. अगर आपने अभी तक City Celebrity channel सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी कर लीजिए. Please like, share, follow them on Instagram and Facebook. City Celebrity, feel eminent.